Path.glob ******************************************************* silently skips hidden files, even .py files like .hidden_script.py, and this trips up seasoned developers daily. Imports the path class from the pathlib module to enable object-oriented file system path manipulation. Assigns the current working directory as the root path object using path.constructor. Invokes the glob method on root with pattern **********py to find all Python files recursively, including hidden directories. Uses rglob on root with pattern ********py to collect all Python files recursively while applying a list comprehension that filters out any path objects whose parts contain components beginning with a dot. Outputs the total number of entries in matched_glob by calling len on it and prefixes the result with a descriptive label. Prints the count of entries in matched_glob using len to show how many Python files remain after removing paths with hidden components. Converts the first 3 path objects in matched_glob to their string representations and logs them under a descriptive label. Use rglob with a filter to control hidden file inclusion. Now you're not just finding files, you're deciding what to include. Subscribe for daily coding videos.